loves, my name is Madison. I'm here to recreate this look right here. If you want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching. I'll be posting weekly, so don't forget to subscribe. And also comment down below what you want me to do next. And let's get into this video.
So I'm first going to start off by priming my eyes with the Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm just going to blend that out with my finger. So the first color that we're going to start off with, we're just going to use this bright orange shade, and we're going to put that in our outer V. And we're going to take this red shade and we're just going to put that right where we put the orange, just to brighten up the color a little bit more. Going in with this pink shade, we're just going to put that in the middle of our crease, just so we could get ready for the purple shade. Mixing these two orange shades together, we're just going to put that on the outer V again. Next, going in with this purple shade, we're just going to put that where we put the pink shade and blend that into our crease. Then finally, we're going to use the blue. I'm just taking this blue shade and putting that in the inner third of my crease. Just to make sure that all the colors are colorful and vibrant, I'm just taking back the orange shade and putting that into the outer corner of my eye. I'm taking this pink shade, putting that right on my crease, and then taking the purple shade, putting that right on top. And then I'm going to take the blue shade and make sure that everything is blended out. So to start off by cutting my crease, I'm just using the same concealer that I used to prime my eye. And I'm just going to start in the inner corner of my eye and follow that through into the outer corner of my eye. And then whatever is left on my brush, I'm just going to put it in the middle. And just to make sure that my concealer is even, I'm just blending that out with a brush. Now going into my Morphe 350S palette, I'm just going to take the lightest shade that I can find in there. And I'm putting that right all over my lid where I put the concealer. So all I'm doing right now is just putting some black liquid liner on my lash line. So then when I put on my lashes, there will be no gaps that you can see. So I'm just highlighting the inner corner of my eye with the same color that we used for our lid. And then I'm taking the same colors that I used for my crease and putting that on the bottom of my lash line. And here's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be posting weekly, so don't forget to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you want me to do next. And also, I'll link the Instagram artist that I recreated this look from down below if you want to go ahead and follow her. And I'll be linking my social media also down below if you want to go ahead and follow me. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Bye, loves.
When I want and how I want it, leave you with the one in, yeah, that's how I roll. I got change to throw, I don't care about no gold. Better, so much better, flipping incredible. Always on the show, so they know that I still got it. And I never feel sorry, yeah.